Well, the power sector is in focus. Most of the power companies have been doing very well on account of increased demand, better receivables, overall change as far as the government's approach towards actually aiding the power companies. Remember, ailing discoms have been a bit of a worry. There have been sincere and significant efforts made to go ahead and improve the entire state as far as power companies are concerned. Now, within that context, after the results of Power Grid, NTPC would be declaring its results, and these are the expectations as per the ET Now poll. Revenues are seen at close to 27,800 crore versus 27,247 crore, up almost 2% on a year-on-year basis. Remember, the base effect this time around could be quite significant given the fact that the company did see significant disruptions last time around. The core EBITDA is seen at close to 8,300 crore versus 7,318 crore, up almost 13%. The margins are seen at close to 29.8% versus 27%, up almost 200 basis points, a little more than 200 basis points in fact, on a year-on-year basis. When you're talking about the profitability, seen at close to 3,280 crore versus 1,250 crore. Now remember, the base quarter had significant and one-offs that had actually impacted the profitability or had dented the bottom line. When you're talking about the key highlights, number one, higher coal availability. Remember, this was a significant issue last time around in terms of coal availability, in terms of the kind of woes that Coal India was going through. But now coal availability concerns are receding. The company appears to have higher coal availability. This is something that should lead to better plant availability factors. Higher demand, better working conditions, and a better operational performance is expected, and that is expected to lead the PLF trends, that is the plant load factor, much higher as well. When you're talking about the volume growth is seen, and this is expected to be aided by number one, new capacities, as well as the fact that increase in PLF is also expected to aid the volume growth quite significantly for the company. Now, what are the key factors to watch out for from the results? Number one, the company's commentary in terms of overall power demand, power supply, trends and receivables. What is it that the company is saying in terms of the impact from the second wave and the lockdowns that ensued? Now, apart from that, the regulated equity trends is something that you need to watch out for. Update on the renewable plans. Remember, there has been a significant thrust on renewables. Also, the government has been pushing for volatilization, value unlocking for most of the PSUs. So again, any commentary based on that would be a significant interest as far as analysts and investors are concerned. Trends in receivables, again, a very, very important factor to keep an eye out for. And along with that, any update as far as commercialization is concerned also would be of key importance as far as the NTPC earnings. Interesting to see how is it that the company rewards its shareholders in terms of dividend as well.